Yeah, I think the mic is working. So, in this quick video right here, I want to answer the question that I get all the time. And it's simply this. What do I actually do to earn an income online? What are some simple basic things that I can do today, right now, this minute, this second, to actually earn a commission online? So, I have that answer for you. And the answer is even as faster and simpler than that intro right there. Behind me is one of the most powerful systems that I've ever been part of. It's a system that actually allows us to earn in 7 different ways. And to answer our simple question, I'm going to show you one of those ways right now. Let me scroll up. I want you guys to see this right here. It says your CD Pro commissions. Now it says $27.50, and it came by way of me making simple comments on social media. 111 comments to be exact. That equates to 25 cents per comment. Now, there were a lot of comments throughout the time that I actually missed and I didn't take advantage of because I was doing other things, other profitable activities to help me earn commissions in other ways. But for right now, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you get it done and start to earn a commission within the next minute. So you see down here, there's 2 comments that's listed. So what that represents is 50 cents worth of commission. Now, of course, if you're looking at that and you're thinking it's not a lot, I want you guys to think about the amount of posts that get placed on a daily basis and on a daily basis. So if you're going to maybe earn 50 cents today, might be $1 tomorrow, $2, $3, so on and so forth. It all depends on when you actually engage with this amazing system and check out available ways to earn an income. So this is simply what you do. Looking at this right now, there's actually a live training that's going on that's available to you depending on when you're watching this. And this right here is a post that's promoting it. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on the view button so I can see the post. All right, and now that the post has loaded up, it's a video. It could be just a text information or a picture or anything like that, but it's a video sharing information, helpful information about affiliate marketing and how to make money from home. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to like this post because I know that the information presented here is helpful and that is great information, so I don't even have to question that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look over and see the other comments that's listed here. And for example, like this one right here, one of my business partners, one of the team members, a part of this amazing opportunity, he says, I know it works. It's 100% real. I'm coming to the live. And I'm simply going to say this too. I will be there. Can't wait to get all of the great info. So I'm simply going to put that as a message. And even though it took me a lot longer than a minute to actually post that, and it's due to the fact that I'm giving you guys an explanation, it can go a lot faster. Now, I did my post by simply being able to click on the view button to see the post itself. Now I'm going to do the second part to actually earn the income. I'm going to press on the submit button. Now the submit button, once when that comes up, it's going to be a pop-up that says post the comment you posted below and hit submit to earn your commission. So I'm just going to copy or right click and then paste what I already copied from the message that I submitted, right? And I'm going to simply hit create. And from the looks of it, let's see. I may have been too late. This post might have already been filled. Its quota for allowed posts may have already been filled. So what I'm going to do to see if this is true, I'm going to refresh this. And if I refresh this and it disappears, that lets me know that that's the case. And yes, so that was the case. I was actually not quick enough to actually earn the commission on that one. And it's because of what I said before. It's because I didn't take action at the time necessary to take action. If I would have got here a little bit earlier, I would have been one of the last people to actually earn 25-cent commission on that particular post. But we have one more chance, right? So let's click on this one and view this post. Now this one right here is another video, and it says the easiest money you will ever make. I'm going to be fast on this, right? And I'm going to say similar. I want to know. I will be there for the training. All right, so we going through this a little bit faster, and I don't think we're going to miss this opportunity right here to get this small commission. It's 25 cents. And it becomes somewhat of a fun thing. So it says successfully created. Now, in a matter of hours or within 24 hours, that credit, that commission is going to be posted there. And that's going to increase my commissions for this particular part of the system to $27.75. But as you can see, this is a powerful way of earning daily commissions, and it's something simple. But I want you guys to really look at and understand the full power of this system. As I mentioned in the previous video, that particular profitable action is something that high earning affiliate marketers take part in on a daily basis in one form or fashion or another. Now, some of the most profitable and productive affiliate marketers, they're the ones that's actually on the other end of it, meaning that they're the ones that's creating the posts. So for example, the real value in this system, besides the 25 cents, the real value is actually this right here in this video. Watching and listening to the information in this 1.3 long video will help you earn an endless amount of commissions, possibly. So it's not about the initial earnings that you receive, it's the information and everything that comes together that allows you to put together a full picture that's going to help you earn high ticket commissions, those $100 commissions, $1,000, and upwards of even $6,000 plus in commissions with a high ticket system such as this one here that we are a part of, that will allow you to actually take part in those type of earnings. So with that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this short training showing you how you can actually earn daily commissions with a simple system that's designed for everyday people who traditionally don't have any particular skills or knowledge in affiliate marketing to be able to earn an income on a daily basis, just like how I just did. And so far, it's still midday, but so far within the last 24 hours, there's been 527 people who actually earned a commission with this system. I hope tomorrow you will join them and be one of the next ones. So see you guys in the next video. And if you're interested in getting started today, there's a link in the bio and you can actually get started. And I've also provided one of my daily profit PDFs. So this PDF actually helps me earn commissions on a daily basis in one of the other ways that this system allows you to earn a commission. So I want to invite you guys to click the link in bio or comment ready so that you can get started today. See you guys on the inside.
Welcome to Sweet Delights, the happiest place in town, a place where the sun always shines and the ice cream never melts. But as I ventured deeper into this colorful world, I began to notice something strange. The ice cream people, made entirely of ice cream, seemed to be hiding something. I discovered a hidden laboratory in the basement, where the ice cream people were conducting twisted experiments. And that's when I stumbled upon their dark secret. The ice cream people need human flesh to survive. They've been kidnapping and serving real humans as special flavors. But that's not all. They have a sinister plan to take over the world, using their addictive ice cream to control humans. Will I escape the clutches of the ice cream people? Will humanity be doomed to become their next flavor? The world may never know,